If you want to learn how to create your own online course selling website or LMS website, that is learning management system website like Udemy and Skillshare, and also make money through it, then make sure you watch the complete video. In this website, you can create different types of courses with different types of lessons like audio lesson, video lesson, or simple text or article lesson. And you can either sell these courses, that is charge money for them, or you can even just provide them for free. You can also create different types of quizzes like true or false, fill in the blanks, single choice, multiple choice, etc. And most importantly, I'll show you how you can use AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, and CloudFront for hosting and securing your videos. This is the most important, most critical part of creating any online course selling website. And with that, I'll also teach you how to do live Zoom classes, webinars, and events. This website supports both single instructor and multi-instructor options, which means that if someone wants to teach on your website and if they want to create and upload their course on your website, they can do that. And not only that, whenever there is a sale of that course that they have created, on every single sale you will get your commission. So basically, if you want, only you can create courses, or if you want, you can even allow others to create courses on your website. We'll also see how to integrate different payment gateways on the website to accept payments for paid courses. And because we'll be using a page builder, creating this website is super easy, and the design of the website is also amazing, as you can see on your screen. We'll also make sure that this website is 100% user-friendly, responsive, fast, and safe and secure. Now before we proceed further, before I show you how to create this website, let me show you a very quick demo of the website that we'll be creating in this video if you follow my step-by-step tutorial. Now first of all, this is the website. You can see the design of the website is really beautiful. At top you can see we have some options given over here. You also have your front-end dashboard for your instructors and also for your students. So if somebody clicks on this option, it will display their username and they will see this dashboard. So a customer or your students can see what all courses they are enrolled in, or if they are an instructor, they will get even more options. As you can see, for instructor, we have more options. So instructors can see the course that they have created. They can edit and they can manage these courses from here. If they want to create a new course, they can simply click on create a new course and they can enter the details and create a new course from here. Whether it's a free course, whether it's a paid course, they can create a new course right from the front end. They can add their curriculum. They can add some additional information and details as well. Let me again come back to the main page. Now in the front end page, you can see we have few more options. We have our header over here. At the left hand side, we have this logo. I'll explain you how you can replace this with your own custom logo. Then we have the categories option, different categories of different courses categories. If somebody wants to see courses on cooking, they can click on cooking. If somebody wants to learn motivational thing, they can select this thing. If somebody wants to learn photography, they can click on this photography course category and they can see all the courses related to photography. Then if you click on all courses page, you can see all the courses in one place. If you want, you can also, filter them. If you want to see courses related to any specific category, or if you want to see courses only for beginners, you can tick mark beginners. Now it will show you only courses which are for beginners. If you want to see only courses which are for beginners and which are paid courses, then you can tick mark paid. And you can see I have only one paid course over here. Rest are free courses. Now let's open a single course page and let's see how it looks. So this is how the single course page will look like. You can see the name of the course is given, starting SEO as your home-based business. And this is the instructor, Edward Norton. This is the business category, no reviews yet. You can see a preview of the course. If you want to play the preview, you can click on this play. It will play it like this. If you want, you can click on this option. Once you click on this option, this video will play like this. Okay, you can bring it wherever you want. You can play this video like this, or if you want to see this video in full screen, you can click on this option. It will display this video in full screen. Then if you scroll down at the right hand side, you can see course details. Like this is a paid course, $9.99 for this. This is the instructor. Duration of this course is 15 hours and 30 minutes. 14 total lessons, 3 students have enrolled till now. This is a beginner level course. Okay. Then at the right hand side, you can see some details related to course. If you scroll down, what you will learn, materials included, requirements, audience, and some basic structure or curriculum of this course, what all things you will be learning in this course. Now, if you want to see the introduction of this video, you can click on this thing, and as you can see, this is the video. Now this video that you see on your screen, I have hosted this video on AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, and I'm using CloudFront CDN to host this video, which is again another service by same AWS, Amazon Web Services. I'll explain you how to use both these services. I open this thing in a new private window. So maybe first let me do one thing. Let me close this thing. Open a new private window, open this thing. Now as you can see, I've not yet purchased it, but still I can see this thing. You can see I can click on these two options because these are open. These are all locked, but these two are open because I've enabled preview. If I try to click on this thing, nothing happens. But if I click on this, you can see I can see the preview of this lecture or this lesson, and these are all locked. If I try to click on them, nothing happens. Okay. So this is what it does. Very helpful, so that before purchasing they can see one or two lectures or one or two lessons, and then after that your customers can purchase. Then after that, many things are available. Content drip is available. You can add Zoom live lessons over here. You can enter the Zoom thing, all these things. Okay, so you don't have to go to a different page like we did over here in the demo website as well. We created a different page or different option over here. You can add these meetings right inside the courses. Okay, you can just add your details, your time, when is the time for this meeting, when it starts, when it ends, how long, all the same thing. And after that, you can click on create meeting. So this is how you can do it. Then under additional details, you can see we can create custom certificates if you want. So these are some pre-built certificates template. If you want to use them, or if you want to create a custom template, you can use them as well. Okay. So suppose if I want to use this certificate template, I can click on select. Okay. Now instead of this thing, everything will be replaced. Let me explain you how it works. Okay. So if I preview this thing, instead of this John Doe, it will be student's name. Instead of this signature, you can upload your signature, which I'll show you very soon how to do this thing. Instead of this name, the course name will automatically be printed. And when they complete it, all these details will be automatically filled in for the customers and for the customer, and this certificate will automatically be created for your customer. So don't have to do anything. Everything is automatically done. Now under Tutor LMS settings, you can see a new option is added for you, certificate. You can create a certificate for all your users that they can use. Maybe if you want to use let's say this one, click on not preview. You can see the preview, but if you want to use this thing, you can click on use template. Now as you can see, instead of this text, it will display the student name. Instead of Tutor LMS, if you want to replace it with some other logo or anything, maybe I want to replace it with EduBlink link. Instead of this sign, you can replace it with your own signature. You can type in or you can give your signature. Maybe this is my signature. Okay, I want it like this. This is where the course title will come and all these things. Instead of director, tutor class, I'll type in director. I'll just type in my name over here. Okay, Nayyar Sheikh maybe. Okay. So this is how you can create a simple certificate very quickly. You can publish it. Okay. Now, whenever you create a course, you can select this certificate template under that option. If I click on edit course builder, just to show you again, go to additional, and under custom certificates, you can select this template as well. Okay. These are the default template which is given. You can also select custom template which is given now. Okay. So this is how you can create certificates, content drip. Now I would recommend you to go to Tutor LMS documentation. Okay, if you go to that link, blogdoot.com/tutor, after that you can go to documentation and you can see the documentation of all the different add-ons and everything. Now if you're really interested in the pro version, if you want me to create a video, a dedicated video on the pro version of LMS, Tutor LMS, make sure you let me know that in the comment section below. Then after that, I'll consider doing that. Okay. And finally, with this, we have completed this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful, and if you want to learn more useful things, if you want to watch more useful videos, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future notifications. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever social media platform you use. And throughout the video, if you have any doubts, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can always leave them in the comment section below. And finally, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.